Hey guys, today is October 6th, 2018, and today's gonna be a special day, and you know why? Because every day is a special day. We are spending our first day here in Switzerland, but before we do that, I'm actually gonna rewind you to yesterday, which is October 5th, and I'll see you soon, okay? Bye! So I'm rewinding you actually to the day before, which is like the 5th, and we spent the day today flying, but we actually landed in Zurich. Well, now we're just driving to Grindelwald, I think. And this is what we see on our way there. Beautiful. We're gonna see a lot more of that in the next few days, so stay tuned for that. We actually ended up renting this awesome, huge super van right here that fits like 20 people. Pretty cool. So now we've officially checked into our hotel, which is right behind us. I'll show you guys later what it looks like on the inside. But now we are gonna go down to the village to grab some food. Say hi.
Hello.
Cheers. Yay. So the way our room is structured is that we come in here and we have the two small beds for mom and dad. And we have a staircase here that goes up. So when we go up the stairs, it's magically the next day. But as you can see, we have 1, 2, and then 3, 4 beds over there. So we have 4 beds upstairs. And I want to show you guys this amazing view that I have right here. Oh. And we're gonna go downstairs and grab some breakfast. I mean, kayo no? So right now we are taking another cable car up to the mountain. This is, what is this mountain called? First?
I don't know.
Oh, you should know, you live here. What's your name, by the way?
Adrian.
NJ! My name's RK. Oh, this is the highest. Up. Mama, hubak na. Spent the last hour and a half climbing an hour and a half's worth of distance. It was up and down, and we finally made it up here. I am proud of her. I'm proud of him. Good job, guys. You did it. They were about to give up, and we told them, don't do it. Don't do it because you're still young.
I wrote Rico on here and I'm gonna go throw it. Oh, this one's gonna splash a lot. Ready? You gotta get off in 3, 2, 1.
So we literally just hiked for a whole, I think, 3 hours, and it was such a hard hike. But now we're gonna go up this protrusion right here, which is like a thin walkway that goes out over the cliff. We're finally going down the mountain.
I'm trying to break.
We're trying to find something to eat right now.
Stop it. Okay.
Oh no!
Stop. Behave yourself.
Wait, let's read this.
Let's
Can
just
you read
it.
that for us?
Baby. They need to
Have
make
they done
fun.
this before?
So right now we just got down from the mountain and we came back to a restaurant that we went to last night. And we just got takeaway food. And I got pizza right here. Supposed to be eating on the road, but I guess we're just eating in the parking lot. This is a default sign out for the vlog for Europe. Thank you for watching and
have a good whatever.